Yes, it's your English class. Greetings to all. But what are we going to do in English today? Guess? Any guesses? We are going to do work from our tune-in book. Please open your tune-in books. Take out chapter number 2. At the library, page number 16. Have you ever visited library? Maybe few of you. See, this is a library. What all things we can see in library? Books and books. We see a table, chairs and books. Yes, in library there are many books. Books related to stories, poems, encyclopedia and many other different kinds of books. Fiction, your syllabus book. Who takes care of the library? The librarian. Librarian is a person who looks after the library. He keeps the record of the books. Let's begin then. Look at this picture. What do you think this place is? Just now I told you this place is a library. Discuss with your partner. Your partner can be your sibling or your parent. What are the children doing there? When we go to library, what do we do? Right, in library we go and read the books. But the main secret of the library is that we have to be silent. We have to maintain silence in the library. Shh, so that nobody gets disturbed. See, here everybody is reading, and while we are reading, we don't want anybody to be disturbed, because when somebody disturbs us, our concentration breaks. जब हम लाइब्रेरी में होते हैं तो हमें एक क्या करना चाहिए? वहाँ पे साइलेंस मेंटेन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि लाइब्रेरी में सब बुक्स रीड करने आते हैं, और जब हम बुक्स रीड करते हैं वी नीड कंसंट्रेशन, तो हमारा कंसंट्रेशन ब्रेक नहीं होता है. नाउ यू कैन सी फ्यू वर्ड्स हियर. आप मैम के साथ रिपीट करेंगे. लाइब्रेरी, बोरो, रेफरेंस, लाइब्रेरी कार्ड, इशू, लाइब्रेरियन, रेंट, फाइन, बुक्स, शेल्व्स, रिटर्न, silent, sections, overdue, catalog. Now, with these words you can make sentences. आपको इसकी कोई नोटबुक नहीं बनानी है. Whatever I'll tell you, you will do in your book only. Okay? और सपोज यू हैव टू मेक सेंटेंसेस. अगर मैम आपको इसमें सेंटेंसेस बनाने को बोल रही हैं तो आप विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स यू विल मेक सेंटेंसेस. वेयर आर यू गोइंग टू मेक सेंटेंसेस? इन योर इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक. आप इन हेल्पिंग वर्ड से सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे, और आप किस नोटबुक में बनाएंगे? इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक में. ओके? Library. I'm giving you an example. Library से what sentence we can make? I visit library often. मैं library ज़्यादातर जाता हूँ. Then sections. There are different sections in the library for the books. इसी तरीके से आप बाकियों पे सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. one sentence. Moving on to page number 17. 17. Track number 2.1. True, false. First I'm explaining you this. Then I'll be playing a audio. पहले मैम आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगी, उसके बाद मैम आपको एक ऑडियो सुनाएंगी. वो ऑडियो आपको 3 times you have to listen. Okay? Then you will answer these true, false. Listen to a conversation between Saurabh and Monica. Conversation का मतलब जब कोई एक दूसरे से बात करता है, that is conversation. Then say if the following statements are true or false. True के लिए we'll write T and false F. First, Monica is going to the staff room. Number 2, Saurabh likes to read stories about nature and hills. Number 3, Monica doesn't like science fiction. Number 4, Monica likes the Nancy Drew series. Number 5, Ruskin Bond is Saurabh's favorite author. Number 6, Monica suggests that Saurabh should try to read the Enid Blyton series. Number 7, Saurabh promises to borrow the book that day itself. Now,
Enid
I'm
Blyton
going
series.
to play this track. You will listen it carefully and you will answer these questions. You will answer these questions means you will write true or false. Now I'm going to play this track and listen it carefully.
Listen to a conversation between Saurabh and Monica. Then say if the following statements are true or false.
Hello, Monica. Are you going to the staff room? Hello, Saurabh. No, I am going to the library to get some books issued. Oh, great. I'm also
Let's
going
hear the
there.
track.
What kind of books do you like? I like Enid Blyton, science fiction, and Nancy Drew series. That's great. What kind of stories do you like, Saurabh? I like stories about nature and hills. Then you must be fond of Ruskin Bond. Have you tried reading the Harry Potter series? They are great too. You might like to read some exciting stuff. Yes, Ruskin Bond is my favorite author. And thanks for the suggestion. I will borrow a Harry Potter book too today. Who is it written by? It is written by J.K. Rowling. Look, we have reached the library. Oh, yes. Okay, I will catch up with you later.
Have you done after listening this? Okay, here are the answers for it. You can check it. Monica is going to the staff room? No, it's false. Where was Monica going? She was going to the library. Saurabh likes to read stories about nature and hills? Yes, true, he said. Number 3, Monica doesn't like science fiction. It's false. She likes science fiction as well as Nancy Drew series. That's why this is also true. Number 5, Ruskin Bond is Saurabh's favorite author. True. Monica suggests that Saurabh should try to read the false. Monica suggested that he should read Harry Potter series. Number 7, Saurabh promises to borrow the book that day itself. Yes. Moving on to next, Namit has gone to the library with his father to get a membership. Listen to the conversation. Now, Namit, where he has gone to the library with his father. He wants to get the membership so that he can borrow the books easily.
Namit has gone to the library with his father to get a membership. Listen to their conversation.
Daddy, this library is much bigger than a school library.
Yes, Namit. This is a public library. Look, there is Mr. Ghosh, the librarian. Hello, Mr. Ghosh. Oh, hi, Mr. Joshi. And who is this young man? Oh, this is Namit, my son. He wants to take the membership of this library.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Namit. What kind of books do you like?
I like to read stories about animals, great people and history, and funny stories.
Good. Which books have you read lately?
I have read Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll, The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling, and Gulliver's Travels by Jonathan Swift. But I love The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. That is my favorite.
Do you like any Indian authors as well?
Yes, I like stories by Rabindranath Tagore, Paro Anand, and Munshi Premchand. May I borrow a few books I like from the library?
Of course. Just fill the membership form and get your favorite books issued.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Turn the page. You have already heard the conversation. Now you have to tick that which books and which author Namit liked. Do it yourself. Next, talk about your favorite author or book. Say why you like that author or the book. You have to tell. आपको बताना है कि आपकी favorite book कौन सी है, favorite author कौन सा है और वो आपको book या author क्यों पसंद है. ठीक है? I'm just helping you out. Hint. आप ऐसे start कर सकते हैं. My favorite book is The Jungle Book. I like the adventure that Mowgli does in the forest, how he survived. Like this, you can begin. Okay? Bye bye.